just jump in and talk about one of my favorite eye creams. I do have a variety of creams that I use for my eyes, and I tend to just alternate between them based on what the season is or just because. But one that I have reached for multiple times and I have purchased multiple times, Shiseido Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. Love this product. I have multiple products from Shiseido. They say that they're combining Japanese tradition with high-end formulations, and they do have multiple products that I enjoy, this eye cream being one of my top. In their advertising, they say that the main goal of this product is to reduce puffiness, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and increase hydration. I love the feel of it. I think it does help reduce puffiness. I think it definitely provides hydration. Wrinkle smoothing, I feel like it is. I don't have actual before and after pictures, but you know, I feel like it is. Let's figure out why. Okay, key ingredients. Peptides. Boosts collagen to reduce wrinkles around the eyes. Squalane. Hydrates and protects skin's moisture barrier while smoothing fine lines. Ginseng extract. Brightens eyes and reduces dark circles. Vitamin E. Helps maintain skin barrier and defend against pollutants and environmental stressors. Another thing I love about this is it works really well under my makeup. I put it on after I've washed my face, and then I continue with my concealer and my eyeshadow primer and my setting powders, and this is a really great base for all of that. Let's take a look inside, shall we? On top it comes this cute little scooper. In the directions, it says you can scoop it out and then pat it under your eye with the scooper. I don't tend to do that. I just stick my finger in and I pat it around my eyes with my finger. But if you prefer using these little scoops, they're a great addition. Okay, let's get the bottle out. Here it is. It's a beautiful gold bottle. It's quite heavy. This is sealed because it's a new one that I haven't used yet. I'm not going to open it right now because, well, I'm not going to start using it yet. This is a backup, and I'm still in the middle of using a different one, and I just want to keep it nice and tight. I don't really want to let any air into it until I'm ready to get started on this bottle. So hang on, and I'll get you the one that I'm halfway through. Be right back. Okay. Back. Same bottle, just half full this time. Pretty bottle. It has sort of a transparent lid on it. It kind of looks like there's jelly plopped on top, but there isn't. It's hard plastic. So let's take a look inside. It's like a champagne-y color, and the consistency is quite thick. It's not runny, it's quite thick. It comes on very silky smooth, though. It really does. It spreads nicely. It doesn't feel thick. It does not feel sticky. I prefer eye creams that have a thicker consistency. I just feel like it's almost like a primer underneath my concealer and my eyeshadow primer. let's take some out. I usually take about this much and I just dab it under my eyes, around my crow's feet, and then on my lids, and then I gently brush it outwards. Some people say they just dab it. I do brush it gently outwards and I go right over my eyebrows with it. And then I just let it dry for a little while before I go ahead and get started on my makeup. It has a very subtle, clean scent to it. Very, very subtle. It's not a strong scent. Love this cream. I tend to use this eye cream all year round. Some eye creams I prefer for the summer, and some I prefer for the winter. In the winter, I reach to something quite thick, and in the summer, I might gravitate towards something a little thinner. But this is an all year round one for me, and like I said, I've purchased this multiple times, and yeah, it's a win-win for me. Since we're talking about Shiseido, I thought maybe I would add that I like to pair the eye cream with this one. Face cream. I have bought this multiple times as well. This is the last bottle, so I can't show you any packaging. I don't have a back of this. Let's take a look inside. The packaging is just gorgeous. Again, a large, heavy lid. Okay, let's go on in. Ready? There's the cream inside. It's white. The eye cream is more of a creamy sort of champagne color. This one's white. It has a similar consistency to the eye cream, but in my opinion, it's actually lighter and thinner than the eye cream. I love this jar. In fact, when this one's finished, I think I might clean it out and use it like for jewelry or something. Really pretty and really substantial. I mean, the lid's quite heavy as well. It just looks so pretty. I hate to get rid of stuff like this. Okay, so let's go in. There. It spreads evenly, smooth, again, non-sticky, non-greasy. It's not too thick. I love it. Again, it works really well under my makeup. That's it for my current Shiseido.